Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I know it's been a little bit since I've uploaded, but today I'm going to be doing a Stitch Fix unboxing. So if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a clothing subscription service. You can get it as often as you want, and they send you 5 pieces every time you place an order. This is my third time getting Stitch Fix. My birthday's in a few days, so I figured I would place an order and get a box for that. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just really enjoy Stitch Fix and I do like making these videos. So in the box you get your bundle of items. You get a pre-labeled and prepaid for shipping envelope to send back anything you don't like. You also get a note from your stylist and a little paper saying like the price of the clothes. And also, I forgot to say this earlier, but when you place an order on Stitch Fix, you pay a $20 styling fee, and that $20 goes towards whatever you're gonna keep. Anyone who signs up for Stitch Fix gets a $25 referral code, so I will link mine down below. If you use it, you will get $25 off your first Stitch Fix, and I will also get $25 off my next one. And so here's the note from my stylist, and it has little outfit ideas too. Okay, so it says, "Hi Sarah, happy Fix Day and welcome to your June Fix. I'm excited for you to dive into your turquoise box and see what items I've selected for you today. I'm sorry that you didn't feel like the items in your last fix were personalized to you. I read through your feedback and hope that today's fix knocks it out of the park. Unfortunately, we did not have any skirts in stock this time, but I was able to find you a great pair of jeans from Just USA. They are a great base for your birthday outfit to style with the pink top and the kimono you loved from your last fix. I also sent you a versatile dress and jumpsuit as an option that can be dressed up or down, making them perfect for any occasion. Enjoy trying on your new items and be sure to let me know how each piece fits and feels at checkout. XO Mackenzie." So I believe this is the same stylist I had last time. Here is my bundle, and then there's also this gray bag too. So I think I'll start with this and then go on to the bundle. So on it says Miga or MIA Adeline fabric, not sandal, and off-white, and they're in a size 7. So these are what the sandals look like. They're super cute. So the first thing in my bundle is what I believe is the shirt. It's the pink land crochet trim knit halter top. It's in the shade olive and it's a size small. So it's got like, it's really soft. It's got a nice ribbing to it, like that little ribbing pattern. It's kind of like a halter neck kind of situation. And then at the bottom, it's all lacy. This is super cute. I can't wait to try this on. This is either the dress or the jumpsuit, I'm not sure which one. It's from Fortune and Ivy. Okay, yeah, Fortune and Ivy Irene faux wrap brushed knit maxi dress, navy, and it's in the color navy, and it's in a size small. So once again, it's really soft. It's this nice navy blue color, and it's got like a really pretty floral pattern. It's got the tie waist, and this does look a little low, but it's got a V-neck. And then here it's a high-low situation. So this will be really cute to try on. Okay, next is the jumpsuit. It's from Skies Are Blue Delancey crochet trim jumpsuit in the color navy, and it's a size small, and it is also a Stitch Fix exclusive. Okay, so this isn't like as soft as the other two. I think it's a different material, but so it's got like tiny little lace type details which go across the front and in the back it's kind of like that. I don't know what this is called, but almost like ruching kind of. And then it's got little spaghetti straps. And then it's like a full pant length. And last we have the jeans. These are the Just USA Veil Skinny Scissor Hem Jean in this shade Indigo, and it's a size 6. And this is also a Stitch Fix exclusive. I believe I've gotten a pair of jeans from Just USA before in my first box, and I really did like them. This actually has a zipper this time. Last time it had a button fly, and then there's no distressing or anything, but at the bottom it's like it is a scissor hem with like frayed a little bit. And so next I will try everything on. Okay, so I switched over to filming on my phone. I have the shirt and the jeans on right now. I love both of them. Let's start with the jeans. Super comfortable. They are like a tiny bit loose, but I feel like they'll probably shrink in the wash, and I really like where they hit on my legs, like right at the ankle. And then the shirt is super comfortable. I love the halter neck. I'm not like crazy about the lace now that like I have it on, just because it is a different texture from the rest of the shirt. But overall I really do like it. I would just need to wear like a different bra with this, but I think this is super cute. So next I have on the dress. I think this is super cute. I love this. It is just like a tiny bit low cuff for me, but I could probably wear like a cami under it. I love the pattern. It's super soft and comfortable, and I actually really like the high-low situation. I usually don't, but this is actually pretty nice. So I have the sandals on. They're super cute and super comfortable. And here is the jumpsuit. I do like this. It's not super low cut. The color's nice. I like the tie around the waist. My only issue is that it is like a little bit too long, and I've been having that problem with most of the jumpsuits I've been getting sent from Stitch Fix. But other than that, I really do like this. So having tried everything on, I really do like all the pieces they sent me. So now I want to go through the pricing. So the jeans from Just USA are $58. The jumpsuit from Skies Are Blue is $78. The dress from Fortune and Ivy is $54. The sandals from Miga are $49. And the halter top from Pink is $34. So that means my total would be $273. So this time around I did ask them to be more price conscious, just because I don't have a big budget. So I'm kind of disappointed in the prices of all of these, because this is the largest my total has ever been in the 3 times that I've done this. So if I were to buy all 5 pieces, I would get a 25% off discount, which would be $68.25. So that would be $204.75, and then minus the $20 styling fee, it would come out to $184.75. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, so I think I'm gonna end this here, and then I will do an update tomorrow. So it's been a week since I got the box and I filmed the unboxing. I've been super busy with work, and yesterday was my birthday, so I'm finally updating this video now. I did end up keeping everything. I was just gonna keep everything but the jumpsuit, but it was only like $10 more to keep the jumpsuit, and with the 25% off and the $20 styling fee going towards my purchase, it just made more sense to keep everything. I might end up selling the jumpsuit on Poshmark, and that will be linked down below, so make sure to check that out. Overall, I really liked this box, I was really happy with it despite everything being a little bit higher priced than I was hoping. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I will leave my affiliate link in the description and in the comments down below. So if you would like to try Stitch Fix for yourself and want $25 off, you can use my link and I will get $25 off my next Stitch Fix as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed. If there's anything else you would like to see from me, leave a comment down below. But otherwise, I will see you all in my next video.